going to do a unboxing / unwrapping of the Viking bags Tactical XL Sissy bar bag. Actually, I've already opened it, but because the last video didn't come out very well, I'm just having to redo it. So pretend I'm reopening it. There we go. So this is the bag. It's black, as you can see. It feels pretty sturdy. It's about 19 or 20 inches tall, probably about 10 inches wide. It's got a Velcro spot here for your morale patches. It's got a MOLLE front so that you can put your MOLLE strapped items through here. Has two water bottle containers with a little Ziploc thing to tighten them down so they don't pop out while you're riding. Handle, shoulder straps, and since this is for a Sissy bar attachment, it looks like it has a little loop here to attach it to the top of the Sissy bar, and then two Velcro attachments to strap it down to the Sissy bar. So it looks like it's going to be pretty secure on your bike if you have a Sissy bar, or if you're not, you just tuck these in and get them out of the way. So let's go ahead and open it up. Well, it's real quick. It's feel like it's made out of, or it is made out of the Cordura nylon, so it's pretty abrasion resistant. It has the first pocket, about 4 inches deep, just your standard backpack pocket. And then down below, behind the MOLLE straps, is another spot, but this looks like it's for your your phone accessories, ink pens, maybe a map, just your quick access junk that you always need to get to. Then it has a middle section. Oh, and what we got here? Well, for your MOLLE straps, it has a sunglasses case that's kind of cushiony on the inside, so it keeps your sunglasses safe. And the MOLLE strap has another MOLLE accessible, attachable, and this is for the waterproof cover. Oh, and the pack is attached to the cover, so once you put it on, waterproof cover, some instructions, but why do you need instructions for a backpack? I don't know. And that's all comes in that center packet, center compartment. Let's open up the next one. Oh, this one lays out flat. That's nice. Has a zipper pouch and then a elastic pouch for quick access things. A padded, both sides are padded, laptop case. So you just slide the laptop in there, both sides are padded. And it looks like you can get a good bit of stuff in here. Other than you get the laptop in there, you still got room for a pair of socks, maybe a t-shirt, rain suit possibly, depending on how tight you pack things. It also has, well, this is kind of outdated, but it has a little place to run your wire for your headset, but most people run the Bluetooth now, so that's probably not very viable anymore. Overall, it feels like it's well made. I really like the morale spot for your morale patches, so you can just throw them on there. I have a whole bunch of them. I swap them out every now and then on my other packs. And I do like the MOLLE style versus the other styles of connecting things. The sunglasses case, you can put it right here on the side, right here on the front, like that. It also has the MOLLE straps on the corner. You can put up there. You can just toss it on the inside as well. Viking bags did a good job. They thought this out really well. I like it, and that's all there is to it. This is well made, looks good. Got a couple extra features I wouldn't have expected. especially the rain cover and the sunglasses case. You don't usually see that. All right, folks, this is Warren with IJustWannaRide.com. See you on the road.